Holy crap. Hey YouTube, this is talking about my last video. Probably link the box thing, oh you know what it's called, is down there. It got favorited 17 times and I had not one, not two, but 3 requests to make another sneezing video. Who knew sneezing would be so popular? Do you know what annoys me is this. Hopefully there will be a picture up here now that's in widescreen. And see, the stupid fucking black boxes. Why is it that the camera can take a photo in the photo? Why can a camera take a photo in widescreen aspect but not shoot it? It's kind of stupid if you ask me. For the first time ever, bar 1 or 2 other videos, I'm actually going to edit this, as you may have noticed by the kind of slight pauses and jumps. Going to see how it works out, because I'm just kind of running flat and can't think of what to say next, and then as soon as I hit stop, it's like, that's what I wanted to say. See, gone again. Text comments would be nice, later.